Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. Today we discuss about class 9, chapter 8, quadrilaterals, exercise 8.1, fourth question. So, before go to video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends, click the bell icon and give like and comments. Okay, so fourth one, A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Rectangle means what? Opposite sides are equal and every angle is 90 degrees. So, here given A, B, C, D is a rectangle. That is, all opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC, and every angle is 90 degrees. And A is equal, and B is equal, and C is equal, and D is equal to 90 degrees. So next, in which diagonal AC. Diagonal means what? A line is joining the opposite vertices. A line is joining the opposite vertices. That line is called diagonal. So the diagonal AC bisect angle A and angle C. Okay, so the angle A and angle C is bisect. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts. So here and AC is bisects angle A and angle C. So that is angle is how much? 90 degrees. This 90 degrees divided on parts, two parts. So that is the angle C is also how much? 90 degrees. So this angle is divided on parts, two parts, 45, 45, 45, 45. So here that is angle BAC is equal angle DAC is equal angle DAB by 2. So DAB how much? 90 degrees. So 90 by 2, that is equal to how much? 45 degrees. So and also the AC diagonal bisect the angle C. So that is here angle BCA is equal angle DCA is equal angle DCB by 2. That is equal to how much? 90 by 2. That is how much? 45 degrees. So here what does in that? Show that ABCD is a square. So here in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Next angle BCA is equal to 45 degrees. Next angle BAC is equal to how much? 45 degrees. So it is which triangle? Triangle ABC is which triangle? Right isosceles triangle. Isosceles means what? Any two sides are equal or any two angles are equal. The triangle is called right isosceles triangle. So in a triangle any two angles are equal, then its opposite sides are equal. So that is here AB is equal BC. AB is equal BC. So but BC is equal what? AD. Why? ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. So that is from this two we can add as AB is equal AD. Okay, AB is equal AD. So but and also AD is equal BC. Okay, AB is equal DC. So from this two we can add as AD is equal DC. So that is AB is equal, BC is equal, CD is equal, AD. So the adjacent sides are equal. All sides are equal. So therefore ABCD is a square. So that is the first one proof. Okay. Next second one proof what? BD is bisect. Diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So prove that diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Okay. Bisect means what? Dividing into two equal parts. So here BD is a diagonal. So this diagonal we want proof. Okay. So these two are bisect. These two angles are bisect. How we can prove? So BD is a diagonal of ABCD. Then how many triangles are formed? Two triangles. So that is triangle ABD and triangle CBD. Two triangles are formed. So in triangle ABD, and A is equal to 90 degrees. Next, AB is equal AD. AB is equal AD. AB is equal AD. Why? Because ABCD is a square. In the first proof, you can prove that ABCD is a square. So here, right angle, any two sides are equal. Right angle, any two sides are equal. So it is called what? Right isosceles angle triangle. So when any two sides are equal, then its opposite angles are equal. So DAB is equal angle ABD. So when these two sides are equal, then its opposite angles are equal. So for this side it is opposite angle, for this side it is a opposite angle. Okay. So next, in triangle CDB. So angle C is equal 90 degrees. Angle C is equal 90 degrees. Next, CD is equal CD. So why? ABCD is a square. So then angle CDB is equal angle CBD. Okay, so here angle BAB is equal angle ABD, angle CDB is equal angle CBD. So here at angle D, there is two angles. At angle D is equal 90 degrees. Angle B is also 90 degrees. So at angle D, there is two angles are there. What are there? CDB plus angle ADB is equal 90 degrees. Next, angle B. At the B angles also there is two angles. What are there? So what are there? ABD plus CDB is equal to 90 degrees. So from these two we can write as angle CDB plus angle ADB is equal to angle ABD plus angle CDB. From these two we can write as angle CDB plus angle ADB is equal to angle ABD plus angle CDB. So here in the place of CDB we can write as CBD. Okay, so in the place of ABD, the place of ABD we can write as angle ADB. Okay, so here sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So this angle we don't know the credit, that is x. So here in the triangle CDB, the sum of angles how much? 180 degrees. That is 90 plus x is equal to 180. So x plus x, 90 plus x, 2x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 by 2. That is equal to how much? 45 degrees. So x is equal to how much? 45 degrees. So that is the angle CDB is equal to 45. Angle CBD is equal to 45. Similarly, in a triangle DAB is equal in a triangle ABD. Angle DAB is equal to angle ABD is equal. Here also we can take that A. So then this angle is how much? 45 degrees. So that is we can get as angle DAB is equal to 45. Angle ABD is equal to 45. So that means here how much? 45. Here how much? 45. Here 45. Here 45. So therefore BD is bisect angle B and angle D. So therefore hence proved. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. So therefore BD is a diagonal bisect angle B and angle D. Thank you for watching my videos.